Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, we'll learn about the reduce function in Python. The reduce function is used to return a consolidated value that can be a number, string, or any Python object by applying a particular function passed to it as the first argument on the list elements or a sequence passed as the second argument. Now let us go back to the Visual Studio Code to see how we can work with the reduce function. So back in my Visual Studio Code, let us import the reduce functionality. We can import it like this. From func tools import reduce, and here I won't consider a separate example. Let us take on the second question that we had covered in the video exercises on functions. So let us revisit that question and understand what it was. So the question was, given a list of products where each product is a dictionary, let us compute the total bill amount given that tax on each product is 4% of the price of the product. So I can say products, so name, shoes, price 164.99. Let us copy this and paste it down below. And here I will say laptop. Let us say price as 567.44, TV 745.55, and Nintendo 3DS 545.55. So now we have the list of products with us. Now in order to get the net bill, we can make use of the reduce function, where I will set up the initial value of net bill to 0.0, which will be used as the accumulator to accumulate the product prices. So let us first see the syntax for reduce function. So reduce, and you can see we first need to pass on a function. So I will define a lambda function here, lambda, and the first argument will be the accumulator, for which I will define an initial value in just a minute, and we will get the current product as well, which you can see is a dictionary. And to the current value in each iteration that we have to add the price of the product, which you can get by saying product price, and then you have to apply the tax of 4% on the price as well. So product price into 0.04. Next you need to specify the sequence. So the sequence, or your iterable in this case, is a list of dictionaries where each dictionary is a product, and then the initial value for accumulator, which is 0.0, like this. So let me zoom this out so you can see the entire statement clearly. So you can see we are setting up the initial value of the net bill to 0.0, which will be used as the accumulator to accumulate the product prices over the list of products that we are passing as the second argument to the reduce function to get the final amount. So the first argument to the reduce function is this anonymous function, which you can see here, which means a lambda function, and it will receive an accumulator and the current product, and the accumulator will hold the current total that we have at the end of each iteration. So for the first iteration we are setting it as 0, as you can see in the third argument of the reduce function, and then we are grabbing the price of each product by saying product price, and you can see each product is a dictionary, so you can access the price for each product by saying product price. So we are using the square brace notation as we have learned in the video of dictionaries, and applying the tax on each product for the entire list of products. Once the entire reduce function gets executed over the list of products, we'll get the net bill, which we can store in a net bill variable. Now once the entire reduce function gets executed over the list of products, we'll get the net bill, which we can store in a net bill variable. So net underscore bill, and let us print the net bill to the terminal and run the file. So python reduce.py. So you can see the difference here. We solved that question in just a single line using the reduce function. Isn't it awesome? Now I would like to show you one more example where we can make use of the reduce function with the operator functions. So we have a couple of operator functions which you can check out in the official docs. Let us go over the operator functions in tandem with the reduce function. So operator functions, Suppose I want to get the sum of the list of numbers using the reduce function and the operator function. Let us see how we can do this. So given the list of numbers 1, 2, 3, the output for the above list should be 6. So first let us import the operator function add from the operator core module of Python. So I can say from operator import add, and we can say print reduce. Now we will first specify what function we want to apply on the iterable. So I want to apply the add function on the iterable numbers. So basically we want the sum total of the list of numbers. So we can just say this by applying the operator function add on our list of numbers. So if I now run the file, you can see we are getting 6 as the output, which is the correct output. Similarly, in order to perform multiplication of all the numbers of the list, I can import the multiply function, which is mul from the operator core module like this. Mul, as I will use an alias multiply. So print reduce, pass on the function that you want to apply, which is the multiply function, which is an alias for mul function, and pass on the iterable, which is numbers. And now let us run the file, and you can see we are again getting 6 because 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. So this was all about the video on reduce function in Python, where we covered what a reduce function is and how to use it by seeing some examples. In the next video we'll learn about the filter function in Python. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification for all my upcoming uploads, and I will see you guys in the very next one.